The job market isn't just changing, it's being completely rewritten. We've officially entered 2026. Today, I'm breaking down the top 10 careers for 2026. I won't just give you the job titles. We are looking at what the day-to-day work actually looks like, the mandatory skills you need, how people realistically break into these roles, and most importantly, what they actually pay. To build this list, we've synthesized data from the World Economic Forum's Future of Jobs report and the Bureau of Labor Statistics. These aren't trendy buzzwords. These are high-growth careers where demand is already outpacing supply. All right, let's dive in. Part 1. The AI and Data Revolution. AI is now the engine of the global economy. But here's the shift in 2026. Companies aren't just looking for people who can use AI. They need people who can govern it and scale it safely. Career number 1. AI Governance Lead or AI Ethics Officer. On a day-to-day basis, you're reviewing AI models for bias in data and outputs. You're drafting ethical AI policies and internal guidelines. You're working closely with legal and compliance teams to ensure regulations like the EU AI Act are followed. You're also conducting impact assessments to understand how AI systems affect people and society. Demand for this role is expanding because governments worldwide have introduced strict AI regulations. Companies are terrified of hallucination lawsuits and reputational damage caused by biased systems. These roles exist in large technology companies, banks, insurance firms, healthcare organizations, government contractors, and any industry operating under strong regulatory frameworks. To get into these roles, you should have a solid understanding of AI and machine learning concepts, analytical thinking, policy drafting, strong communication. Global median monthly income usually ranges between $8,000 to $14,000 per month, depending on experience and industry. Career number 2, Agentic AI Engineer. This is one of the fastest-growing technical roles right now. Day-to-day, you're designing autonomous AI agents, systems that can plan, decide, and execute multi-step tasks on their own. You're integrating large language models with tools and APIs. You're debugging agent behavior, and you're building RAG systems to ensure factual accuracy. This role is in demand because companies are moving beyond chatbots. They want intelligent automation, systems that replace entire processes, not just conversations. Mandatory skills for these roles include Python, deep understanding of LLMs, prompt engineering, RAG, and experience with agentic frameworks like LangChain, AutoGen, or CrewAI. These roles exist in AI product companies, automation startups, large tech firms, enterprise software companies, and internal innovation teams. To enter this field, if you're a software developer, go deeper into Python and agent-based projects. If you're a data scientist, strengthen your engineering skills and focus on system architecture. Typical global monthly income generally ranges between $7,000 to $15,000 per month, depending on specialization and experience. Part 2. The Green Boom. While Silicon Valley is obsessed with chips, the rest of the world is obsessed with carbon. In 2026, sustainability is no longer a PR exercise. It's a core business metric. Career number 3. Sustainability Analyst or ESG Manager. This role helps companies measure and improve their environmental and social performance. People in this role collect operational data related to energy use, emissions, waste, water consumption, and workforce practices. They analyze trends, identify problem areas, and work with operations and procurement teams to reduce environmental impact. They prepare detailed sustainability and ESG reports for investors, regulators, and public disclosures. They also track progress against sustainability targets and recommend projects that reduce costs through efficiency improvements. This role is in demand because regulations like the EU's CSRD have made ESG reporting mandatory, and because investors now price sustainability directly into valuation. These roles exist in manufacturing companies, energy companies, consulting firms, financial institutions, global corporations, and supply chain organizations. Global monthly income typically ranges between $5,000 to $10,000 per month. To enter these roles, business and finance professionals often add sustainability and reporting expertise. Environmental science professionals usually build data analysis and business process skills. Career number 4, renewable energy technician. This is one of the most AI-resistant careers on the list. This is a hands-on technical role supporting renewable power infrastructure. People in this role install solar panels, wind turbine components, and battery storage systems. They perform routine inspections, identify faults, replace damaged parts, and ensure equipment operates safely and efficiently. They use diagnostic tools to test electrical connections, monitor system performance, and prevent failures. They also document maintenance activities and comply with strict safety procedures. Mandatory skills for this role include electrical knowledge, mechanical aptitude, and safety certifications. As global clean energy investments are accelerating, demand for this role is increasing. Infrastructure needs people on the ground. These roles exist in solar and wind farms, energy utilities, infrastructure contractors, equipment manufacturers, and renewable service companies. Typical global monthly income generally ranges between $4,000 to $8,000 per month. People usually enter this field through vocational training programs, technical institutes, or apprenticeships with energy companies. Some transition from electrical or mechanical technician roles into renewable systems. Part 3. Human-centric healthcare. Our population is aging, and mental health demand is rising fast. This has created a new wave of health tech roles that put humans first. Career number 5. Telemedicine strategist or digital health manager. This role exists because healthcare delivery is no longer limited to hospitals and clinics. In a typical week, they design and improve digital care workflows, for example, how a patient books an online consultation, how reports are shared, and how follow-ups are managed digitally. They work with doctors to adapt clinical processes for online platforms, coordinate with IT teams to integrate devices like remote monitoring tools, and ensure patient data flows securely between systems. They also analyze patient usage data to improve engagement and reduce drop-offs in digital care programs. Where these roles exist: hospitals, health tech startups, insurance providers, telemedicine platforms, and large healthcare networks. Global median monthly income generally ranges between $5,500 to $11,000 per month, depending on responsibility and organization size. Many enter from clinical or healthcare administration roles and then build digital and informatics skills. Others come from technology or product backgrounds and learn healthcare workflows, compliance, and patient processes. Career number 6, gerontology specialist or care coordinator. This role focuses on managing complex care needs for aging populations. People in this role create personalized care plans that combine medical treatment, daily living support, and assistive technologies. They coordinate between doctors, physiotherapists, home care providers, and family members to ensure continuity of care. They also introduce and manage technologies like remote health monitoring, emergency response systems, and smart home safety devices for seniors. A large part of the job is ongoing monitoring and adjusting care plans as health conditions change. These roles exist in hospitals, assisted living facilities, home care organizations, senior living communities, and healthcare service providers. Typical global monthly income falls between $4,500 to $8,500 per month. To enter these roles, healthcare professionals and social workers often specialize further into geriatric care. Some professionals enter from care technology or health services coordination roles and build clinical understanding. Part 4. The Defenders, Cybersecurity. More AI means more sophisticated attackers. In 2026, cybersecurity equals job security. Career number 7. Cybersecurity and cloud security roles. These roles exist to protect digital systems that run modern businesses. People in these roles design secure cloud architectures, configure access controls, and monitor systems for unusual activity. They conduct regular vulnerability scans, investigate security alerts, and respond to incidents like data breaches or unauthorized access. They also work with developers to ensure new applications are built with security controls from the start, not added later. A significant part of the work involves writing security policies and performing audits to meet regulatory requirements. These roles exist in technology companies, banks, healthcare organizations, government agencies, cloud service providers, and enterprise IT departments. Global median monthly income usually ranges between $6,500 to $14,000 per month. To enter this field, IT professionals often specialize into security after working in systems or networking roles. Cybersecurity specialists may move into cloud security by gaining cloud platform certifications and architecture experience. Career number 8, spatial UX and AI-enabled creative roles. These roles shape how humans interact with advanced digital systems. People in these roles design user experiences for augmented and virtual reality environments, including gesture-based controls and 3D interfaces. They build prototypes of immersive applications and test how users interact in spatial environments. In AI creative roles, they design workflows where AI assists with content creation, editing, and personalization, while humans guide quality and creative direction. They often collaborate with engineers, product teams, and marketing teams to bring interactive experiences to market. These roles exist in technology companies, gaming studios, design agencies, product development teams, media companies, and AI-driven platforms. Typical global monthly income ranges between $4,500 to $9,500 per month. UX designers expand into spatial design by learning 3D tools and immersive interaction design. To get into these roles, creative professionals learn AI tools and automation workflows to scale content creation while maintaining quality. Part 5. The new creative class. Creativity isn't dead. It just has a better toolkit. Career number 9. Product manager or program manager. These roles exist to make sure the right things get built, in the right order, by the right teams. In a typical week, product or program managers spend time gathering requirements from customers, business teams, and technical teams, and converting them into clear work items for development. They prioritize what should be built first, based on customer impact, business value, and technical effort. They run planning meetings, track progress, resolve dependencies between teams, and make trade-off decisions when timelines or resources are limited. They also review performance data after release and decide what needs improvement in the next cycle. A large part of the job is continuous coordination and decision-making. These roles exist in technology companies, SaaS firms, digital product companies, manufacturing firms running large transformation programs, and consulting organizations. Global monthly income typically ranges between $6,000 to $12,000 per month, depending on experience and scope of responsibility. Usually people move into these roles from engineering, business analysis, or operations backgrounds. Some enter through MBA programs or product management certifications, combined with project experience. Career number 10, operations and operational excellence roles. These roles focus on making organizations run better every day. On a daily basis, people in these roles analyze processes to find delays, defects, and inefficiencies. They work on reducing machine downtime, improving productivity, and stabilizing quality. They lead improvement projects using methods like process mapping, root cause analysis, and structured problem solving. They also track key performance indicators, conduct shop floor or process reviews, and train teams on standard work practices. Much of their time is spent working directly with frontline teams to implement and sustain improvements. These roles exist in manufacturing plants, supply chain operations, logistics companies, shared service centers, and large service organizations. Typical global monthly income ranges between $5,000 to $10,000 per month, depending on industry and leadership responsibility. Entry to these roles is usually from engineering, manufacturing, or operations backgrounds. Some transition from quality, maintenance, or planning roles and build continuous improvement skills through Lean or Six Sigma training. So there you have it. The top careers for 2026, broken down clearly and realistically. The common thread: hybrid skills. If you're a doctor, learn data. If you're a marketer, learn prompting. If you're an engineer, learn ethics and security. The safest career is one where you use AI to amplify what humans do best. Think critically, empathize, solve complex problems. Which of these careers resonated most with you? Tell me in the comments. I read every single one. And if you found this deep dive valuable, like the video, subscribe to CurioSphere, and I'll see you in the next one.